Okay guys, let us compare the WPL C24. As we can see right now, it is quite strong and firm, but the issue is there is no switch mode that we can able to make it slow or fast. That's why this is the difficulty in handling such tight and rocky place or in any trail. And compared to the MN82, as you can see, I can manage and maneuver it easily in that such condition and tight space because of the switch mode of its speed. You can able to make it slow or fast, and it's quite different also the handling, and still the issue is depends to the driver.